Two hockey players of opposite teams, while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground, collide and immediately become entangled. One has a mass of 60 kg. So one mass, first mass that we have, that is 60 kg, and was moving with a velocity. So that particular uh, uh, we can say that mass of that object moving with a 5 meter second inverse. Okay, while the other has a mass, so m2 we have, that is 55 kg, and was moving faster with a velocity. So v2 is equal to 6 meter second inverse. Now see, both are moving in opposite direction. So if I am writing 5 as a positive, so I have to write 6 as a negative. So in which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? Assume that the frictional force acting between the feet, and so we just neglect frictional force, right? So see, uh, this problem we can find with the help of law of conservation of momentum, right? So initial momentum is equal to final momentum, right? So what is initial momentum? Initially they are moving in opposite direction, right? So initial momentum m1 v1 m1 v1 plus m2 v2 and is equal to final momentum capital M into v. Okay, now by step we are putting the values of each and every terms, right? So first m1 60. Okay, so 60 into 5, so that will be 300. So 300 here, then minus, why minus? Because v2 here minus, so because of that negative sign I have to write here negative. So 6 into 5, 55, right? So 6 into 55, that will be 330. So 300 minus 330, whatever will be the answer, that is our initial momentum. And then now final momentum capital M. Now after colliding they will move in same direction. So for same direction capital M, so for this capital M we should sum these two terms, and that will be 1 1 0, sorry here 115, that will be. So 115, that is our total mass, and final velocity v that we have to find, right? So simply v subject is equal to, now 300 minus 330, that will be minus 30 upon 115, right? So see, uh, this velocity we found in the term of meter second inverse. Now this velocity we get it negative, right? So negative means in this direction, because earlier we assumed this as negative. So we can say that after entangle all players will be in this direction, whatever this direction we take, left or right, that will be in that direction. So final velocity will be in that direction. And in which direction that we have velocity we have, right? So that is our whole answer. So this all players have same velocity of second player, whatever it will be right hand side or left hand side.